This is going to be a multi-part video series, so I'll be releasing this as we go. But it's covering the topic of free energy. Now, I actually have built quite a few of these gadgets to test concepts and ideas, and this cost me a lot of money. But today we're going to go over one of the designs I ran across that actually shows promise, and I'm going to basically show you the proof of concept and explain how it works. And then what you decide to do with that is on you. But let's go outside. Now, this here is a alternating current generator. Now, in a traditional generator, these are all magnets. Now, in a traditional generator, as these spin, they'll actually be flat, and this is north, this is south. This is north, this is south. As these spin, it's constantly fighting against the copper coils winding, which is what causes the generator to be unable to turn the power plant, because this is putting constant power back again, so you need more here than you're getting out of here. That's a traditional system. I'll have to get a buddy over here so I can run this and have you see how it works and the results that we get. Oh, I'm not doing anything with that. But what's going on here in this design is because this is north and this is south. As this spins, you actually have it pushing a south magnetic flux, then a north magnetic flux. So you see how that's going left and right, up and down the copper coil? This creates a situation where the resistance is this way and this way on the copper wire, which means it's being applied this way and this way to these here. The resistance from this device operating all happens here at the magnet, not here at the generator. Now I'm going to need to have somebody come over here and assist me so I can run this and have them run the voltmeter, and because I got to hold this stupid thing on here, so I'm still in the early stages of testing. But this produces somewhere in the neighborhood of about 17 volts with two of these. So when I do this and run it, I'm going to get about 17 volts. What's odd is if I only have one of these on, and I disconnect this so it's just running this one here, it's only going to produce about 14 volts. Sorry, it's going to produce, how was that again? It produces 7 volts? We'll run it, but you'll notice that one of these produces way less than what you'd expect from the two. But you now know the basic concept behind this design. And then once I get done running it with the next video, you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. But yeah, and obviously you wouldn't want to do a system like this. You'd want this in the button, you'd want these reversed 180, but if each one of these is producing about 16 volts, that means to get, and it's not 16 volts, 16 volts. No. If you get half of this, you're going to get 8 volts off of two of these, and about 3 to 2 volts off of one of these. So it takes 2 of these to get 16 volts, which means you would need 10 of these bad boys lined up, all being powered by the same freaking generator, to get 116 volts. It pops the amp meter, so I have to go and get a stronger fuse to determine what the heck's going on with the amperage coming off of this design. And keep in mind, these aren't even proper, these are hand-wound coils. I did this myself, just so I could throw it on the device and test it. But we'll come back and revisit this when I have somebody who can actually do the voltmeter stuff while I run this for you, and we'll go from there. Catch you in the next report. Ugh!